What's up, B? I've been poor all my life, and I'm not blaming my mama. She been poor too. I blame the government. And new president ain't gonna make shit better. I go in the courtroom.
Who want that bullshit? It's the government with their politics. Politicians talk slick, and what the hood get? Broke people, that's legit. More bullshit. Get all you can get. Who want that bullshit? It's the government with their politics. Politicians talk slick, and what the hood get? Broke people, that's legit. More bullshit. Get all you can get. Y'all wanna cut food stamps and income tax. What the fuck do you hate blacks and love civil combat? Where my soldiers at? Low income Democrats holding guns, slinging cracks for extra greenbacks. We in the slum sharing crumbs next to nothing, but we gotta eat something. Break bread with my cousin. We be pumping all hours of the night, getting all we can get. The president ain't right. Politics is the upper class fix. If your ass is legit, then you broke and legit. That's why dope is the shit. Niggas hitting licks, cash rules everything. Thanks Republicans, I won't quit practicing the First Amendment. Politicians eat a dick, I'm a taxpayer bitch. How about put issues, not persons on the ballot? Politicians eat a dick, I'm a taxpayer bitch. At least I was when I wrote this in 06. They want money, taxpayer, for the roads. That's funny cause they bring it in the bills in dough. Then they send the poor man to lock down my foes, and they see more penitentiary dough. They want money, taxpayer, for the war. It's funny what soldiers are dying for. Even though I know y'all signed up for the shit, y'all should get a little more for your service. On some war shit? Hell nah. Fuck a president, his statements are irrelevant to whom he is telling it. I bet the US cabinet hold green and they selling it. Get up off your ass, get all you can get. A politician is a tick. They poly with tricks and suck the cash out your ass with new taxes they invent. Roll one past it, live life sad bitch. I'm glad I have this fucking SK Club USA. Under siege always, die or duck strays is the American way. I gazed in the maze, talking about some niggas braids, thinking about diseases like AIDS in cities and states. The pity is great, being president ain't. Better draft me while I'm still trigger happy in a white tee, pumping D on Shakita Street. On the other hand, I'm a grown ass man. Fuck the military, them P's don't scare me. Those motherfuckers human, they bleed just like me. Why I leave home? Catch one to the dome. That can happen to me by being alone. Why I leave home? This bitch is the bone. They be sending me freaky pics to my cell phone. Why I leave home? I'm riding on chrome. Gotta get me tax free all night long. Some might ask, B, why you mad? You're American. Isn't that better than waking up in the bush next to lions, or getting bit on the tush by something flying? Your name is Brian. It could have been without proper nutrients. You be a scrawny fucker. Hold on, you super sucker, cause you soaking it up. The American dream ain't mean to color. Your argument only relevant cause I was raised American. But if I grew up there and came here for school, that would be cool. But I'm gone when I'm through, because this history is screwed up. Mystery for me and you, we must avoid the tools. Pale devils use that white Jesus do. Sugar in all the foods, so we beans too. Mr. Carver invented those for glue. Sly horror, how they murdered you and me too. Bullshit, that is painfully true. Who want that bullshit? It's the government with their politics. Politicians talk slick, and what the hood get? Broke people, that's legit. More bullshit. Get all you can get. Who want that bullshit? It's the government with their politics. Politicians talk slick, and what the hood get? Broke people, that's legit. More bullshit. Get all you can get.